Are they red beans? Were they refried? The more detailed, the better.
This is the first summer that we are implementing an adult parent cooking class with WISD. We partnered up with Texas A&M AgriLife FNEP, and we invited them to come and teach parents the importance of making nutritious recipes for our children at home.
I wanted to learn new recipes so that I could always teach them to my daughters and show them that there's other ideas of food or recipes to try, healthy recipes to make at home for the girls.
Here I have salmon. This is about 3 ounces. So anything, realistically speaking, that fits in the palm of your hand, more or less is about 3 ounces.
I think I cook fairly healthy, but what I'm not doing correct is the amounts of food we eat.
At the end of this class, I hope to walk away with healthier recipes to try at home and better eating habits.
And I am learning so much about the proper etiquette of cooking, right? And how to prepare a meal.